Good morning. My name is Dabil Musiega of admission number TED 4873 stroke 21, a finalist from the School of Education, Department of Technology Education, Moi University, main campus. I had the opportunity to participate in Technology Trip 2, a trip to Kisumu, which commenced on 24th August 2025 to 27th August 2025. The trip was organized by our technology department to help us have insights into real world experiences and also to see how technology is integrated into real world operations. While we were at Kisumu, we had a chance to visit 3 different companies within 3 different days. Just to mention, on the first day we visited the Jumbo Mills Limited. On second day, being on a Wednesday, we visited the Farm Engineering Industries Limited. And on the third day, we visited the Skylark Construction Company. Just to begin with the first company which we visited, which is the Jumbo Steel Mills Limited. Jumbo Steel Mills Limited was founded in 1990. It sits on 29 acres of land. It manufactures steel, which is its leading production. But in 2022, they had a chance to invest 2 billion in production of PVC tanks, which is the polyvinyl chloride tanks, and also the production of mattresses. Yeah. Also, while at Jumbo Steel Mills Kisumu, we learned that it invested 400 million into the purchase of 82 trucks to facilitate their distribution to western parts and also into the East African countries neighboring Kisumu. Also, while at Jumbo Steel Mills Limited, we saw the production of mattresses, which they produce mattresses in different sizes from small ones to bigger ones, and the biggest mattress we saw that it costed 17,000. And also for the tank, it produces tanks from 250 liters to 10,000 liters. Wow. That's a win for Jumbo Steel Mills Limited. Also, for their power production, they use solar panels and they use 700 kilowatts of energy per day. Also, for Jumbo Steel Mills Limited Kisumu, one of their quality that we learned while there is quality. One of their core values is quality and also affordability and local production for their customers. While at Jumbo Steel Mills Limited, we also learned how they manage safety of their visitors and their workers. For example, there's the use of PPEs, whereby their workers always wear helmets. They also wear safety boots, and also they're always inside, what are they called? They practice safety, and safety is their priority. Yeah, and we also learned that they have firefighting equipment which are located at strategic places at the factory. And also for the mattresses, which was an amazing part to watch. We saw from the production process where chemicals are mixed into different ratios, where the mixed chemicals is then heated at different heating chambers. Then it is cooled. Then it forms something like a stone or a stone. Then it's also cooled. Then it goes into parts where it is cut into desired shapes and sizes, and also where there is the sewing, where the mattress is put on something which can make it more attractive, like the mattress cloth. Yeah, and we also saw how different engineers or different workers were doing their work. They were friendly to us, and we learned a lot. Yeah, the second company that we visited is the Farm Engineering Industries Limited company. The FAIL company is located at Kisumu, Kakamega Road. Yeah, it is located at Kisumu, Kakamega Road near Mamboleo Junction. Its main activity include fabrication, mechanical activity, showroom, design and square parts, storage. Its products equipment include farm construction, machinery trailers, where they produce machinery trailers, for example, loaders. We also saw sugar cane carrying trailers or trails. Yeah, and we also saw how different machines, for example, we saw the steel cutting machine where one of the engineers placed the machine on, placed the steel under the machine and cut the steel or the steel into desired shapes and size. We also saw the production of AutoCAD, or where they practice the development of AutoCADs, where we saw how they use computer in their day-to-day activity. We also saw the earth moving equipment such as the farm machineries, where they had produced trailers, farm machineries. One of their main qualities that it customizes full trailers into solution based on customer needs. Salute to Farm Engineering Industries Limited. It has 5 spare parts depots based on across East African countries. East African countries, and for the safety of the workers, which is a big thing. We saw that their workers were also putting on PPEs, for example, the use of helmets, the use of gloves, in that whenever you are cutting the steel, not to injure yourself, and also for the use of safety boots. We also had a chance to see that they use the fire extinguishers, in that in case of fire, they are able to put off the fires. And also the use of pavement. There are spaces left inside which are marked, in that wherever you are visiting and you want to learn, you can use this pavement as you go around the factory to see. And just to mark on their engineers, the engineers were friendly, in that they taught us many things as they took us around the FAIL company. For the third company that we visited is the Skylar Construction Company. Just the desire and the determination of the Skylar Construction Company is that we learned that the founder just started the company by the use of Kenya shillings 3,000 only. Through determination, we know one day we'll make it. The founder had determination that one day he'll grow to become whom he is today. So the Skylar Construction Company was founded in 1990 but was incorporated in 1999. The Skylar Construction Company is located at Miwani Roads in Kisumu. Its core services include building, civil works, fabrications, and painting of, those are their services. And for their manufacture, they manufacture concrete, and also they manufacture PVC pipes. While we were at Skylar Construction Company, we had a chance to interact with the engineers who were taking us around the company. For example, we saw how concrete is manufactured, and it's placed where it is placed below sunlight to allow for it drying. We also saw how PVC, personally I saw orange PVC pipes being manufactured, just from the mixing of chemicals, from the heating, from the cooling, till the pipes come out. For the enlargement, for the enlargement, we saw one of the engineers placing the machine inside the machine, placing the pipe inside the machines where it is heated, then he takes the pipes, place it in a running water where it is cooled, then the pipe is enlarged. Yeah. So while at Skylark Company, we learned a lot of things. We saw the machine cutting, where different kinds of rods are cut. We also saw the bending machines. We also saw the production of doors, hard doors made from real trees or hardwood trees. We also saw the production of what is it called? The production of small stones. Yeah, we saw the production of small stones. The machines looked like the milling machine. Yeah, that's all that I learned while I visited Kisumu. And as I conclude my video, I can say that I learned many things while I visited Kisumu. For example, I learned how real engineers interact with the real world, how they interact with the real machines, how they interact with production units, how they do their their day-to-day activities. And we also saw how they have integrated technology in their day-to-day activities. We also learned how they minimize the use of electricity. For example, the Jumbo Steel Mills have incorporated the use of solar panel energy instead of electricity, in that electricity is more expensive compared to solar energy. We also had the desire that in future that we will join the engineers in the field and exercise production process in our day-to-day activities. Thank you.